Why do our eyes get tired after watching TV or using a mobile phone for a long time? The answer is, staring at the TV or phone for prolonged periods reduces the frequency of blinking, leading to the evaporation of moisture on the surface of the eyes, causing dryness and fatigue. Additionally, staring at screens for a long time increases tension in the eye muscles. Why do our eyes automatically close when we sneeze? The answer is, it's an instinctive protective mechanism. When we sneeze, the body generates a strong muscle contraction, and to protect the eyes from potential harm, like airborne particles, they automatically close. Why do freshly washed clothes have a special smell after drying in the sun? The answer is, this special smell comes from the chemical reactions that occur when the clothes are exposed to ultraviolet light from the sun. UV rays can break down the DNA of bacteria and cause changes in some of the chemicals in detergents, resulting in that fresh sun-dried scent. Why do we yawn when we're tired? The answer is, yawning might be a mechanism to regulate brain temperature and increase oxygen supply to the brain. Yawning promotes blood circulation, which helps enhance alertness and brain function. Why do ants often walk in a line? The answer is, ants release chemical substances known as pheromones to mark their paths and follow these pheromones through their sense of smell, forming a clear marching route. Why does our skin wrinkle after a bath? The answer is, this happens because the outer layer of dead skin cells absorbs water and swells, while the underlying living cells do not. This causes uneven expansion on the skin's surface, resulting in wrinkles. Why do certain types of apples turn brown quickly after peeling? The answer is, this is due to the oxidation of phenolic compounds inside the apple when exposed to oxygen in the air, producing brown-colored chemicals. This process is known as enzymatic browning. Why are some people bitten by mosquitoes more frequently than others? The answer is, mosquitoes react differently to various people's body temperatures, scents, especially carbon dioxide emissions, and certain chemicals on the skin. Therefore, some people may be more attractive to mosquitoes. Why does the skin appear drier after washing hands? The answer is, water and soap can remove natural oils from the skin, which are key components in maintaining skin moisture. Therefore, after washing, the skin loses some of these moisturizing oils and appears drier. Why does water boiled and then cooled taste better than water drunk directly? The answer is, the boiling process releases dissolved gases, like oxygen and carbon dioxide, making the water taste smoother. Also, boiling water can kill certain bacteria and microorganisms, increasing the purity of the water. Why do we feel dizzy after spinning around quickly? The answer is, when spinning quickly, the fluid in the inner ear's semicircular canals continues to move due to inertia even after we stop, causing the brain to receive incorrect balance signals, leading to dizziness. Why is blue rare in natural foods? The answer is, blue is rare in natural foods because blue pigments, like anthocyanins, are complex and less common in nature. Most natural foods derive their colors from other, more easily synthesized pigments. Why do we sometimes tear up when yawning? The answer is, when yawning, facial muscle tension puts pressure on the tear glands, causing tears to be squeezed out. This is not due to emotional reasons, but a physiological response. Why does eating chili peppers make the mouth feel hot? The answer is, capsaicin in chili peppers stimulates the pain nerves in the mouth, producing a sensation similar to heat or burns. This is a false sensation of heat, not an actual increase in temperature. Why do ducks waddle when they walk? The answer is, ducks have legs positioned towards the back of their bodies. To maintain balance, they waddle when walking. This gait helps them propel more effectively in water. Why does the sky turn red at dusk? The answer is, at dusk, the sunlight passes through a thicker layer of the atmosphere, causing the shorter blue light wavelengths to scatter extensively, while the longer red light wavelengths reach the observer's eyes, making the sky appear red. Why do we feel especially thirsty after a hot shower? The answer is, during a hot shower, body temperature rises, and increased sweating leads to loss of body water, resulting in thirst after the shower. Why does water feel extra cold after eating mint candy? The answer is, the menthol in mint candy stimulates the cold receptors in the mouth. When drinking water, the water passes over these activated receptors, enhancing the cold sensation. Why can dandelion seeds drift so far away? The answer is, dandelion seeds have a layer of umbrella-like fluff that can capture air, increasing the seed's buoyancy and air resistance, helping them to drift far away with the wind. Why don't birds get electrocuted when standing on power lines? The answer is, birds don't get electrocuted on power lines, because there's no voltage difference between their bodies and the wire, so no current flows through them. They would only get electrocuted if they simultaneously touch the ground or another object with a different voltage.